Hi, Sarah Garland from Fine & Country. Today we are on Boleyn Close in Warwick at a 3-bed linked detached property featuring a single garage and double driveway for parking for 2 to 3 cars. The property is situated in a cul-de-sac just off the Myton Road with close proximity to both Myton and Warwick schools and a couple of miles to the town centres of Warwick and Leamington Spa. So come with me, let's take a look inside. Thank you for watching the video, and if you'd like any further information or to book a viewing, please contact me on the details that follow.